We are West holding this 9-point hand. South on our right opens one no trump, 15 to 17, balanced. We pass. North on our left jumps to 3 no trump. We are on lead. North didn't use Stayman or transfer, so hearts look to be our best suit. And top of the sequence, Heart King is our best lead. Before we lead, since the opponents are in 3 no trump, let's do the rule of 14. 14 minus my 9 points equals 5. Partner should have about 5 points. Dummy tables this 11-point hand and plays the heart 2. We will play this hand with all cards showing so we can discuss the meaning of every card played, because every card has a meaning. East knows partner promises the King, Queen, Jack from her lead, and she has the 10. The next card in the sequence. She wants to tell partner this good news, but having only the 10-5 doubleton, she can't do that. So she plays the 5, which looks like a discouraging attitude signal to partner, saying, I have no help in this suit and prefer that you change suits. Attitude signals will be discussed at length in Lesson 5, but seeing them in use even now helps us learn to think bridge. From this discouraging attitude signal, West will figure out that South has the missing ace of hearts. South, with only one stopper in hearts, realizes West lead promises King, Queen, Jack. She uses the rule of 7 to decide how many times she should duck this trick. 7 minus our length in hearts, which is 6, equals 1. Duck it one time and take the second heart. Why do this? We're hoping that East will be out of hearts. If she gains the lead later in a different suit, she won't have a heart left to lead back to West's known winners. This is just good declarer technique. West continues the Queen. Dummy plays low. East plays her 10. West, also holding the heart Jack and 9, figures out this is East's last heart. Therefore, South has 2 hearts left. South plays the ace, winning the trick. But West already knew South had the ace. West also knows now that if she can get back in the lead, she has 3 more heart winners. Is that Club King an entry to my hand? Yes, because the ace is not in dummy. I need to hold on to that Club 3 so I can protect my king. Pitch diamonds, pitch hearts, pitch spades, just don't pitch a club or a heart. South plays a spade to dummy's king. I, West, will play my lowest spade, starting a low, high count signal, telling partner I have an odd number of spades. Here, 3 spades. We use count signals when the opponents lead a suit. Partner plays her 7, the start of a high-low even number of spades, most likely 4. 3 spades in my hand, 3 in dummy, 4 in partner's hand. It looks like Declarer started with 3 spades. This is what counting the hand on defense looks like. We're giving every card played a meaning. Dummy leads a club back toward her hand, hoping the missing king is in East, but it's not. West has been hoping this king would be the entry back to her hand so she can run her remaining heart winners. We will run them starting with the Jack. We've played hearts twice and everyone followed, so 8 hearts have been played. I still have 3. Dummy has 1. That's 12. I know partner is out, so Declarer still has 1 heart also. If you are a master card counter, you know Declarer's heart is the 8. If you're only average at counting, you lead the Jack just to make sure. Imagine how sick you would feel if you led the 7 and it lost to Declarer's 8, allowing 3 no trump to make. Let's review a little. Opponents bid to 3 no trump. I have 5 hearts, King, Queen, Jack, 9, 7, missing the ace and 10. I expect opponents to have the ace so I can promote 4 hearts if I lead the suit. I will need an outside entry back to my hand to run my promoted hearts later. I'm counting on that club king to be that entry. Without that outside king, hearts may not be the best suit to lead. We are West, holding this 5, 3, 2, 3, 4-point hand. South on our right opens 1 no trump. We pass. North jumps to 3 no trump and 3 passes in the auction. We are on lead. North didn't use statement or transfer, so spades look to be our best suit, and the 4th best 4 is the right card. Dummy tables, this 3-4, 3-3, 4-3, 13-point hand. I want to know if partner has any strength. We can use the rule of 14. 14 minus my 4 equals 10 points for partner. Sometimes a better way to do this when the opponents open 1 no trump is on this hand. We know that Declarer has 15 to 17, so let's put her in the middle with 16. Add my 4, that's 20. Add dummy's 13, that's 33. Partner has 7 points, plus or minus 1. Dummy plays low, and partner should play her ace, top of the doubleton, to unblock the suit. And she does, and returns the 5 of spades to Declarer's 10. We win our Jack. 8 spades have been played. I have 3 more to the king, that's 11. Dummy has 1, that's 12. There's still 1 spade out, and my king should pick it up. Glad I played the king, because the queen was still out. Look at Declarer and dummy now. Nothing but winners. We had to get off to the right lead early and play the suit right to set this 3 no trump contract. We are west. South opens 1 no trump. North 3 no trump. We're on lead. North didn't use Stayman, so spades look to be a good lead. And holding the Queen Jack 9 broken sequence, the Queen is the correct card. Dummy tables, this 11-point hand. Put opener on 16, the middle of a range, adds our 7, dummies 11. Partner should have about 6 points. Partner plays the 5, which should be a discouraging attitude signal. That makes sense since declarer played the king and dummy holds the ace. Declarer leads the club jack. I play the 8, top of a high-low count signal, telling partner I have an even number of clubs. We'll learn more of this in Chapter 5. East should be able to figure out that I have 2, not 4. Partner plays the king. Bridge Baron returns the heart 2. A really bad idea. What partner should be doing here is continuing our spades. So let's rewind and return the spade like we should. We can see declarer's cards now to show how this will play out when we defend correctly. Holding 10-4, declarer will play low. I'll play the 9, which forces dummies ace. That's 8 spades played. I have 3 more, dummy 1. That means declarer has 1 more spade. Dummy leads a club to the queen in hand. Then another club back to dummy's 10. A club to dummy's ace. And finally, a heart to the queen and my ace. I'm in now with 3 more spade winners if I have the presence of mind to start with the jack. Down 1. We are west, holding this 4-point hand with 5 spades. South opens 2 no trump. North jumps to 6 no trump. We're on lead. Both tables led the 4th best spade 4, and both declarers made the slam. Here is something we didn't discuss in class. When the opponents bid a no trump slam, 6 no trump or 7 no trump, most of the time we want to make a passive lead. If our spades were headed by king, queen, jack, we would definitely lead the king to knock out the ace. Then our queen, jack should give us 2 more winners necessary to set the slam. When our 5-card suit is not solid, like we have here, leading a spade too often gives them an undeserved trick, and that one trick is what they needed to make their slam. Top of nothing in any of these other 3 suits will work. Let's lead the heart 6 as our passive lead. Declarer wins the queen. We will play through these first 11 tricks quickly because what we do on defense pretty much doesn't matter. They win their club ace, we follow suit. They win their queen, we follow again. They win their king, and partner pitches a diamond. They've counted the clubs, all of them are in, so their fourth club is a winner. Now they win the ace of diamonds, and then the queen of diamonds, and then the king of diamonds. Notice all along we kept all of our spades, mostly because dummy and declarer had all the heart, diamond, and club honors visible, so we could pitch hearts, diamonds, and clubs. They take their heart ace, and I have to pitch a club. And their heart king, and I have to pitch another spade. And now they finally have to lead a spade. Declarer chose the spade queen, which I take with the king. And here's what's left. Notice I have one more winner and Declarer has one more winner. We get two spade tricks, but only because Declarer had to lead spades to us. Our passive lead of anything but a spade is what allowed us to set this contract. So tuck this into your memory. Against 3 no trump, we would lead that fourth best spade. But against 6 no trump or 7 no trump, a passive lead make that most of the time.